Let's start the history of Pakistan study. History of Pakistan study. The main character of the Indus Valley civilization is drainage system. Drainage system was the main characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization. The second point is the main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. The famous things in the Mohenjo-daro and the Indus Valley civilizations that will be uh, continuously asked in test, and also it is very important to be noted that what is included in these famous sites. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization? Rahaldas Banerjee. Which one of the following elements of Hinduism were practiced in the Indus Valley civilization? Cult of Shiva. Which metal was not known on the Indus Valley people? Iron. Iron, they were not known about them. Nomad man started settling in Neolithic age. The earliest evidence of silver in India is found in Harappan culture. The period when men used both stones and copper tools is known as the Metal Age. The Indus Valley civilization is known as pre-Aryan civilization because of the evidence of script. The greatest invention of in the Paleolithic age is fire. The script the Indus Valley civilization was Dravidian. Dravidian script in the Indus Valley civilization. Though we know about their uh, culture and their identity. The Indus Valley people knew the use of gold, silver, copper, bronze, but not iron. The Indus Valley people had trade relations with Mesopotamia. Indus Valley civilization houses were built of bricks. The Indus Valley civilization flourished during 3000 to 1500 BC. The Indus Valley people worshipped Mother of Goddess. The Aryan at the first settled in Punjab. Which of the following craftsmanship was not practiced by the Aryan? Blacksmith. Brahmans are books that deals with ritualism. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1922. The Lothal civilization was known for drainage system. Mohenjo-daro is also known as the Mount of the Dead. Which color was commonly used in Harappan poetry? Red. Thank you. It will help you a little bit introduction in the Indus Valley civilization and also Mohenjo-daro sites. It is the history of Pakistan, and it will be continue in theoretical way or also masculinist way. So stay safe and stay connected with my channel, and if you like it, then like and subscribe my channel. It is little bit introduction of the another updation of subjects.